Hey guys, if you are looking for a stylish black shower head, here's a good option for you to consider. This is the black stylish shower head. It is a flat square design, which is really cool, kind of sleek, really neat. It's lightweight, and the reason why is probably because the handle itself is a plastic, not a metal, but that does help it to be lightweight and easy to use, especially if you're dealing with any kind of shoulder problems or you're trying to, bathe small kids. This is a really great option. There's a select button right here, which I'm going to show you in just a second. I'm going to show you the multiple options, but you're just going to click that button and that's going to change the shower head option. So let me go ahead and turn it on. And there's no on and off switch. It's an automatic on as soon as you turn on the shower head. Here's our first option, is a heavy stream. Press the button. We have a heavy stream with a rain. Just the rain, which it's a pretty strong flow, believe it or not, and it has a pretty wide range. Now we have another, it's a heavier stream, lighter rain, and then of course just the stream itself. I like personally the stream option for me because I have long thick hair and it's easier to wash. But if you guys are interested in the sleek, black, stylish shower head, this is a good option to consider. You want to add that to your Amazon cart now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.